Morning and welcome to a coffee video. Today I'm going to be making the fantastic, amazing Iced Americano. This one has got a cold cream topping, so it looks like this. There we go, a bit like a pint of Guinness from a distance. Oh, there we are, so I've spilled a little bit. You see that? Fantastic. So this one's got a cold cream topping. It is completely dairy free. Down. So what I've done is I've created a cold foam that goes on top, or a cold cream that goes on top, and that is with oat milk and oat cream. So if you have any allergies, you don't need to worry about. It's absolutely, completely dairy free, good to go for everybody. So I hope you watch the video and see how we do it and enjoy making it yourself. Okay, so this morning's kit list. We're going to need the coffee machine and group handle. We're going to need kitchen scales. We need beans, whichever you prefer. We need a glass with ice water. And then for the cream topping, we're going to need some oat milk and some Oatly cream. And of course, our little whipper there. Okay, let's get cracking with it. First thing to do as usual is to weigh the group handle. So I'm going to switch the scales on, put the scales on the group handle, zero it down, and then I'm going to grind 14 grams of coffee. Okay, we'll give this a try. Looks like it's a little over, to be honest. Yeah, 15. Let's get a spoon, take some out. Take some out. Still fit. Oh no, 13. There we go. 40. Perfect. Ready to go. Okay, as usual, 3-stage. So level. And then we tamp. Give it a good hard tamp. And then we're wiping the top of the group handle so that none of the coffee goes up inside our machine. And we're engaging the group handle into the group head. I'm getting my ice water that I prepared earlier, put it underneath, and I want this shot to drop towards the back. So I'm going to go for a 2-shot on this one. I'm going to let that espresso just sit on top. Now it does work really well if you can get the espresso just to drip down the back of the glass. Okay, so while that's going, I'm going to go over here and we're going to start making the topping. Got a nice luxurious cream topping. We don't want it too thick. There we go, so we put in our vegan cream and then we're going to add a little bit, less than 50% in oat milk. So that just makes sure that our cream isn't getting too thick. Put the lid on, set it up. There we go, that's starting to whip. Let's take the lid off and have a look. There you can see, it's starting to thicken up nicely already. And we'll go back across, grab our Iced Americano, Pop that down and we'll just wait for the whip to finish. Okay, so our whip has finished. Now we've got a nice cold foam. And we're going to pour that cold foam on top. Just so it's sitting nicely on the top. Beautiful. And what I'm going to do, because I really like it, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon across the top. Perfect. You can see that coffee at the bottom there, iced Americano, and then the cream topping there. Looks to me like a perfect drink. Okay, so I'm going in for the taste test, as usual. Oh, that's brilliant. If you like the taste of coffee, you don't like it too sweet, so you don't like syrups in it, so you just like the iced Americano, you like the cream on top, then this is the drink for you. Perfect. I think I'm going to keep this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a really quick one. This drink is really easy to make. It's really fast. You get fantastic quality coffee as well. Something that would cost you quite a lot of money if you go to a coffee shop, but if you're making it at home, you're looking at pence instead. So it's a fantastic drink. So yeah, so enjoy making it yourself. Put a comment and tell me what you think of it. Tell me how you did when you made it yourself. But yeah, comment, like and subscribe for more. I will see you next time.